Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT into Bybit in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the crypto world or a seasoned trader looking to switch exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring USDT like a pro. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and Bybit is one of the top exchanges for trading it. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bybit account set up. If you don't, head over to the Bybit website or app and create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you'll manage your funds. Next, select USDT from your list of assets. Bybit supports various networks for USDT, like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. So double-check which one you're using to avoid any transfer issues. Click on Deposit for USDT, and Bybit will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to success here. Now, head over to the wallet or exchange where your USDT is currently stored. This could be another crypto platform like Binance or a personal wallet like Trust Wallet. Go to the Withdrawal or Send section. Paste the Bybit address you copied, select the correct network to match what Bybit provided, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on the network you choose. Hit that Confirm or Send button, and voila, your USDT is on its way. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network's congestion. Once it's done, check back in your Bybit wallet to see your USDT balance updated. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses to prevent any costly mistakes, and never share your private keys. If you're new, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred USDT into Bybit. Now, you're ready to dive into trading or whatever your crypto adventure holds. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.